Hello, my little mathematicians. Today I'm going to help you get started on your homework for reviewing algebraic representations. Okay, my biggest hint to you for all of these is to test to see the relationship between x and y. So for instance, let's take a look at number 2. And it says a standard bathtub fills at a rate of y equals 12x. Which of the following tables best represents the equation? So in order to get y, you multiply x by 12. Let's see which one of these tables is true. So 1 times 12 should be the y. No, y is not 12, it's 0. So that table doesn't work and follow that equation. Okay, 1 times 12 is 12. Oh, looks like it works. 3 times 12 is not 24. 3 times 12 is 36. So yeah, it worked for the first one, but the pattern didn't continue. So that one didn't work either. Okay, so that's my hint to you is keep testing them. See if the equation matches the table and things like that. Or if there's a graph, like for instance on this one, it says the total number of eggs y contained in x cartons can be represented by the equation y equals 12x. Which of the following graphs best represents this situation? So your rate of change is normally given to you by the change in y over the change in x. So if you can find an obvious point, so like there's an obvious point and here's an obvious point. Okay, so from here to here, how many up did it go? It went up 12 and over 2. Well, 12 over 2 is 6. So that would mean that your rate of change would, or the number in front of x, or your slope, would be 6. Nope, that doesn't match the 12, so that doesn't work. Okay, here, an obvious point would be there to there. So it went up 36 and over 1. Well, 36 over 1 does not match 12. So that one didn't work, okay? And that's my hint to you is if it's a graph, check to see if the rate of change, which is the slope, so the change in y over the change in x matches the a term in the equation that they gave you. Or if it's within a table or something, test it out, see if it follows the pattern, okay? You got this, my little mathematicians.